Welcome back to the Science Kitchen. It's Christmas, it's time to celebrate. We're going to celebrate by making a festive dessert. And what better way is to take one of my favourite drinks, a gingerbread latte, and let's transform that into a gingerbread latte cheesecake. Let's get right into it. We're going to start with the base of our cheesecake by massacring some gingerbread men. Make that into a fine crumb, and then we're going to add some unsalted butter. Mix that through until well combined, and we're going to compact this into our spring form pan. So pour it in, use a spoon to press it against the sides to make a tight seal. Right guys, so we're going to move on to our cheesecake filling. I've got a stand mixer here, but you can use an electric whisk or even do it by hand if possible. So, cream cheese into our bowl. Just use the whisk attachment just to scrape any excess off your paddle. And then we've got our icing sugar. We're just going to want to get this really thoroughly combined. So we've got the whisk attachment on there. So start at a low speed just to get things going, and then turn it up. Right, so once that's nice and smooth, I'm going to add in our eggs. Get those in one at a time. So start with one, second egg. After you've given that a few seconds, we'll just scrape that part there, just to release around the size of the bowl. It's really important that we get this mixture really well combined. Next we've got our coffee, which has been brewing away nicely, so we only want a little bit of this in there. So get it mixing. We're just going to trickle the coffee inside. You can tell when you've added just enough, when it looks like similar to a latte colour, just slightly off-white, a little bit of brown depth in there. We'll grab up our stand mixer, just get any excess from the whisk attachment. Fold round the sides, just to fully incorporate that mix, and we're done. Let's get this onto our cheesecake. So once our cheesecake reaches about 65 degrees internal temperature, we're ready to take it out. Right guys, with our cheesecake just out of the oven, we're going to allow that to cool down. So overnight is best, but maybe 3 to 4 hours in the fridge will just be fine. So we've got our cheesecake beautifully set out of the fridge. We're just going to finish this with some cream. We've got a canister here, it's charged up. Going to decant this onto cheesecake. Finish off the rest of the cheesecake with whipped cream for that milk foam effect. And we're going to top with some little crunchy gingerbread pieces, some candy red sugar strands, and here's our gingerbread latte cheesecake. Done. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned because there's much more to come. I'll see you next time.